started this business back in 2010. Started it out of my garage. In fact, it started by accident. I was working a full-time job at the time, and in addition to that, doing this about 20 hours a week in that first year. And it just kept progressing to the point to where I couldn't even handle all the work from both jobs. I had even businesses and companies come into my home and going, "We saw the work you did, this is amazing. Will you do work for us, or will you come and work for us?" And it really progressed from there to where it was one of these things where I either had to stop doing it because it took too much time, or jump into it as a full-time business, and the rest is history. I love doing this work. I mean, I started into it because I love it. I love some of the aspects of it every day. I love the creativity of it. I love coming in. I love coding. I own the business. I've got to run things now as an owner, but honestly, I cherish those moments still where I can just get in the booth and be able to code a project. That still brings me joy. It did 10 years ago. It still does today. Everything we do gets looked over. Everything goes through quality control. We strive for perfection, even though I don't believe perfection's attainable in this world, but that's what I want. That's what I'm going for. I mean, really what it comes down to is everything that we do, we want it to be worthy of the cover of a magazine. Do a sample question, warm me up.
Do you like firearms?
Yes, I love firearms.
Okay. I mean, so